Okay, now in this video I am going to talk about, we will solve it out the two questions. The question number is 1 over here. First preference you have to give, like here the 28 is not perfect square of any number. 63 or also by seeing you can't see it's a perfect square of any number. Maybe after factoring out, or break out the number 63 like in factors, then you can say it could be a number, but directly if you see at once, and 63 is not a perfect square. So what I do, I'll combine this. I'm going to combine. So 28x to the power 5 over 63x. Now this number and this number is divisible by which number? By 7. This is 4 times and this is 9 times. Correct. This x to the power 5 over x by exponent rule, if you solve it out, then this is going to be the x to the power 5 minus 1 equals to x to the power 4. So now I am going to write here 4 is left, down part is 9 and this is x to the power 4. Okay. Now 4 is the square root of which number? 2. 9 is the square root of which number? 3. Okay, now the problem is coming up over here, x to the power 4. So x to the power 4, inside the square root I am going to write x times x times x times x. Okay, if you write, this is one pair, this is another pair, from each pair one x is going to be come outside. So like here what is going to come, 2 by 3 is already outside and 1x, and from this pair 1x. Okay, now so 2 over 3, x times x means power will get added, so x to the power 2. So this is going to be the answer. Now I'll move to the next question. In this question you can see over here what is there, square root 25x and the 64x cube. Okay, by seeing you can say like this 25 is the square root of which number is going to be the 5 and 64 8. So I am not going to combine like I have combined in the previous question. I am going to solve it out separately. X, the square root of 25 is going to be 5, so 5 will come outside and the number which is unpaired will remain inside the square root. Okay, 64 8. Okay, now x cube is left. I am confused about x cube, so I am going to write inside the square root, and x cube I have break down x times x times x. Okay, now this is one pair, so from this pair 1x will come outside, so x 5 upon 8, and from this pair 1x will come outside, and this is square root x upside is going to be the same, this part is going to be the same, and from this down part this 1x has come outside and the number which is unpaired that remain inside. So correct. Now this is same, will get cancelled out, upside and down, this x is cancelled out. Correct. Now what is left? 5 over 8. So this is the way how you can solve the questions, and it all depends how you need to how much you do the practice. More you practice, more you will be perfect. So there are many ways, and how to combine, how to solve, like it all depends when you do the question. More question you will do, you will be the better at solving. So try it out all these questions and practice more. Thank you.